Okay, welcome back to student. Say, in this session we are learning about the carbon compounds. See, in the carbon compounds, see topics to be covered in this lesson. Topics to be covered in this lesson. First one is a carbon. So it is a first one is a carbon, and second one we have to see the allotropes of carbon. Allotropes of carbon. Next, third one is a organic compound. Organic compounds. Next, we have to learn the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. See here, hydrocarbons. Okay, hydrocarbons. Again, this hydrocarbons is a dividing saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, see saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. See naming of hydrocarbons. Next one we have to see the naming of hydrocarbons. Naming of hydrocarbons. Next here is a isomers, homologous series. Isomers, homologous series. Next we have to see the coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum. Next, it is a important carbon compounds. Important carbon compounds. And here is a soap and detergent. Soap and detergent. Detergents. Soap and detergents. See, this like all topics we have to cover in this lesson. See, because this lesson is a very important. See, it is a in 11th standard for also it is a carbon and its compound is there. Hydrocarbons is there. See, this lesson is a very important. That's why we have to learn. You already learn in 9th standard also. It is a 10th standard for carbon and its compound. A lesson is there. Next 11th standard for also is there. That's why it is a very important this lesson. Next we have to see carbon is a playing the important role. See, what do we eating? We are taking the carbon. See, we are moving from one place to another place with the help of fuel. So it is a petrol and diesel also made of the carbon. Carbon is a playing the important role in our life. See, our clothes is a made from carbon. See, our food, what do we eating? It is a made from carbon. See, we are using the plastics is a made from carbon. See, this plastic also made from carbon. See, we are using the paper. The paper is a carbon. See, various substances is a carbons is there. See, carbons is a more penetrating with our life. See, carbon is a most important element. Is a playing the important role in our life. Okay. See, we have to take the food. We are calling the food. For example, carbohydrate we are writing. See, carbohydrate C12, H22, O11. See, it is a made from carbon. See, here is a carbon is there. Next, we are using the butane gas. See, C4H10. See, this butane gas. See this one, butane gas. Butane gas is a using of preparation LPG gas. LPG gas. See, these all are made from carbons. Okay. See, we have to see the what is carbon. What is carbon? Carbon is nothing but coal. See, carbon is a nothing but a coal. See, we have to see the first question. What is carbon? What is carbon? See, this like questions is arising in your mind. See, what is carbon? Carbon is an element. Carbon is an element. Carbon is an element. So it is a non-metal. Non-metal. Carbon is a non-metal. Next, we have to see the most of carbon is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Is the carbon is a conducting the heat and electricity? No. Most of carbon. See. Most of carbon conducting, conduct most of the carbon. See what said? Most of the carbon is poor conductor of heat and electricity. Heat and electricity. Heat and electricity. Most of the carbons. But name of carbon, see, it is a derived from Latin word. It is a carbo, which means coal. So it is a name of carbon derived from name of carbon derived from Latin word. See, carbo. So it is a carbo means is a coal. Carbo means coal. Carbo means here coal. Okay. Next we have to see the which means coal. See, this earth crust has only 0.02% carbon is there. The earth crust has only 0.02 percentage. How much percentage is there? 0.02 percentage carbon. See, this much percentage is present carbon. This much percentage, but it is playing the big role. It is playing the big role, but it is a small amount of carbon is present. Small amount of carbon is present. See, huge important also is there about this carbon. Next we have to see the amphoteric. It is the atmospheric. The atmosphere has 0.03% of carbon dioxide. 0.03 percentage of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Okay. Next we have to see the forms of the carbon. See, we have to see the various forms of the carbons also is there. See, we have to see the C12, C13, C14. See this like what there? Isotopes of carbons. See, you already learned in 9th standard. What is the isotopes? Same element, same atomic number, but their atomic masses is a different. See, their atomic masses is a different. Same element is there. Same atomic number is there. Atomic number 6 only. See, we have to see the 6 only. But their atomic masses is a different. See, we have to write this like also. Say 1, 2, 3, 6, 6, 6. Same element, same atomic number, but their atomic masses is a different. See 12, 13, 14. Okay. See this is a next we have to see the different atomic masses. We are calling the isotopes. So it is a more. So it is a focusing C12. So it is a different forms of carbons is there. Next we have to see here. Okay. See, we are learning. Next is a need to learn. Is a need to learn of carbon and its compound. Why study carbon and its compound? See. Okay. Why study carbon and its compounds? Its compounds. See, why study carbon and its compound? See, we have to see the carbon. Carbon has a diamond. So it is a allotrope. It is a diamond. Diamond. Next, we have to see the coal. Coal also is there. Coal. So it is a graphite. See, diamond is using the ornament. So it is a coal. Coal is a using for burning off. Burn. So it is a preparation of wood. So it is a steam train. See, production of thermal power. See, thermal power for using the coal. See, various purposes are using the coal. Next we have to see the graphite. See, graphite is a good conductor of electricity. We are using the graphite rod. See, it is a in battery cells. See, graphite is a good conductor of electricity. See, we have to learn. It is a very important this study of carbon and its compound. See, we are using this carbon. It is a plastic bags, plastic bottles, plastic markers, say, and water jars. Nothing but carbon. Soap. Soap is made from carbon. So it is a detergent is made from carbon. Next we have to see the carbon and sugar. Sugar also made from carbon. See, it is a we have to see the sugar. Sugar is a type of carbohydrate. Wood is made from carbon. So it is a carbon. It is made from cellulose. Alcohol. Even alcohol also we are writing ethyl alcohol. C2H5OH, methanol. So it is made from totally is a carbon. See, we are wearing the clothes. It is made from carbon. Next we have to see the petroleum product also. Petroleum product also. It is made from carbon only. Petroleum products also. So it is a totally made from carbons. See, we learned today. See, in this session only, it is a introduction of this lesson. See, we will go to next session for it is directly entering into the our lesson.